Dynamic enterprise performance management. Let's talk about the problem that we set out to solve using ION on the Business Vault and the rest of our components and tools. So I have all of this chaos going on, and as a CFO, I'm like, wow, how do I get control of the way we're making decisions, and how do I tie business decisions to the risk that I'm undertaking? This chaos is what you see around decision support architectures in most companies and how they make decisions. All these different user interfaces, different technologies, dated batch-based interfaces, all sitting on a different version of the truth. None of it is connected to each other. None of it's connected to your underlying systems, let alone taking advantage of things like mobility or big data or advances in in-memory computing or any of that. So what if all of the applications I have in my enterprise where I want to source data from, this could be your ERP application like LN or M3 or even something like an SAP, my warehouse management system, my PLM system, my CRM system, and so on. All of these applications are instrumented so that every time an event happens, I update an order, I create an item, I change an inventory status. As those events are happening, it is automatically publishing this data in real time into this thing called ION. Okay, it's a publish and subscribe model. So in real time, all of this data is flowing into it. And that data is put into the Business Vault as we turn it into business insight, and we're able to build an integrated set of common applications to support your business. This includes governance, risk, and compliance, industry performance management, budgeting and planning, and then analytics, all sitting on a single real-time version of the truth, which is built for big data, so it's complete, a common user interface, common technology, all integrated together in real time and connected to your underlying systems. The beautiful thing about it is this information across all of these different micro verticals is manifested in a set of different UIs. It can be delivered in context. As we showed you in Mingle, I have contextual BI that's fused into the process. So it can be served on an iPad. Any one of these different applications, analytics, budgeting and planning, GRC, follows the user automatically when they need it. So an integrated suite of performance management applications across the different micro verticals that we're in, all running on a real-time single version of the truth. And that's dynamic enterprise performance management